How to use turmeric tea for weight loss. Turmeric tea is an herbal infusion that can help you lose weight and improve your health. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in Asian cuisine and medicine, and it has many benefits for weight loss, such as reducing inflammation, boosting metabolism, and suppressing appetite. In this video, we have put together some tips on how to use turmeric tea for weight loss. But first, let us have a look at what turmeric is. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a spice that comes from the root of a ginger family plant called Curcuma longa. Turmeric has a bright yellow color and a warm, earthy flavor. Turmeric is widely used in Asian cuisine, especially in Indian curries. Turmeric is also known for its medicinal properties as it contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric can help treat various health conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, depression, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. Turmeric can also help with weight loss, reducing inflammation, boosting metabolism, and suppressing appetite. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can modulate various biological processes related to obesity, such as insulin resistance, fat accumulation, and inflammation. How to use turmeric tea for weight loss. Turmeric tea is an herbal infusion that can be made by adding turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root to boiling water. This tea has many health benefits, including weight loss, among many others. Following are some ways you can use turmeric tea for weight loss. Prepare turmeric tea. You can make turmeric tea by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or grated fresh turmeric root to a cup of boiling water. You can also add other ingredients such as ginger, lemon, honey, cinnamon, or black pepper to enhance the tea's flavor and health benefits. Ginger can help improve digestion and reduce nausea. Lemon can help detoxify the liver and boost immunity. Honey can help soothe the throat and add natural sweetness. Cinnamon can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Black pepper can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making it more bioavailable and effective. Let the tea steep for 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Drink turmeric tea before meals. Drinking turmeric tea before meals can help you eat less and lose weight. Research suggests that drinking 2 8-ounce glasses of water before main meals can help enhance weight loss by increasing satiety and reducing calorie intake. Water can also temporarily increase your metabolic rate by up to 30%, especially if it is cold, meaning you burn more calories while digesting your food. Adding turmeric to your water can boost the effects of hydration and thermogenesis on your weight loss. Turmeric can help suppress your appetite by stimulating the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and hunger. Turmeric can also help boost your metabolism by increasing the activity of brown fat, a type of fat that burns calories to generate heat. Drink turmeric tea throughout the day. Drinking turmeric tea throughout the day can help you stay hydrated and energized and curb your appetite and cravings. Turmeric tea can also improve digestion and detoxification, aiding weight loss. Turmeric can help stimulate bile secretion, a fluid that helps digest fats and remove toxins from the liver. Turmeric can also help protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol, drugs, or infections. Aim for at least 4 cups of turmeric tea daily, preferably before or during meals. Combine turmeric tea with a balanced diet and exercise. Turmeric tea is not a magic solution for weight loss, and it works best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. You still need to eat a nutritious diet that provides enough calories and nutrients for your health and activity level. You should avoid processed foods, added sugars, refined grains, trans fats, and alcohol, as they can increase inflammation and reduce weight loss. You should eat more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. healthy fats and spices, as they can provide antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals supporting weight loss. You should also be consistent with your habits and monitor your progress. Weight loss is not a quick fix, but a long-term journey that requires patience and perseverance. Turmeric tea is a simple and effective way to boost weight loss and improve health. By following these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of this golden spice and achieve your weight loss goals. Following are references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.